Welcome to J&J's test video of 9609. This is an 05 4Runner V8 SR5, 292,000 miles on it. It is not wrecked, and that means the frame is rusted out. It's actually a really nice truck, except for, you know, your 4Runners, you know about this. So that's not supposed to do that. And that's why it's here. Just a shame. Great trucks, but terrible frames. Still got all the luggage separation stuff. Runs, drives. I actually bought it off the street and drove it here. Listen to that thing. 292. Let the drink cup in there. Alright, show you the transmission. $292,554. These are all full-time four-wheel drive. Runs, drives, but the axle's not attached anymore. Let's see if the transfer case works. It's neutral, push, low. Oh yeah, look at that. Heard it engage. Oh yeah. Here we go. Back in neutral. Back in high. In reverse. Windows work. I'm sure these mirrors work. All right, sunroof. Smells like it's got a little valve cover leak, a little stinky oil. There you go. Windows work. She's just purring. 292,000 miles. Put a belt on it and I'll do another 292. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.